Hello friends, myself Professor D.B. Madhihalli, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering in Hirashnagar Institute of Technology in Itsosi. In this video, I'm going to explain about one topic of basic electronics subject, that is a variable resistance phase control using SCR. SCR is used in many of applications like motor control, time delay circuits, heater control, phase control, relay control, and sawtooth generators. But common applications of the SCR can control of AC power for the electrical heaters, electrical motors, and you can also stabilize the AC input voltages. Then DC to DC converter like choppers, then DC to AC converters called as inverters. So these are the common applications we are using by the SCR. Then in our topic, with the help of SCR, using SCR, so we are controlling the phase of the AC input signal by the variable resistor, by the potentiometer. Okay, so this is the basic circuit of variable resistor phase control using SCR. So here variable resistor is, this is R2. So this R2 is connected to the positive of diode D1. And phase control means, so what we are applying the AC input voltage, so that phase of AC input voltage we are controlling by the SCR. So this is our SCR. Okay, so this is potentiometer, diode D1, this is SCR, and this is load resistor. Okay, and before going to the operation of this discussion of operation, according to the circuit of variable resistance phase control using SCR, as shown in the circuit, whatever the triggering circuit that consists of diode and resistors in series with the gate, diode and resistor R2, potentiometer R2. So these are in series with the gate of the SCR, and this part of circuit is considered as a trigger circuit. Okay, so with the help of this trigger circuit we can control the phase of the AC input signal, that means by the SCR. Okay, so when by changing the resistor R2, by varying the resistor R2, so it is possible to change the gate current. It is possible to change the gate current of the SCR at a specific point on the sine waveform of AC input signal. Okay. So by changing this particular point on the sine waveform, we can control the phase of the AC input signal. Therefore, so by changing this resistor R2, potentiometer R2, the point on the sine wave at which the SCR fires can be changed, and this makes it possible to change the average power that delivered to the load resistor RL. So now we can say that, so with the help of variable resistor, so we can control the phase of AC input signal, because the potentiometer is connected to diode D1. Okay, and the negative of diode D1 is connected to gate terminal of the SCR. If any variation in the resistor R2 at that time, the change in the gate current of the SCR. and this part of circuit is called as a triggering circuit. With the help of this triggering circuit, you can control the phase of the AC input signal. Okay. So in this waveform, consider I am using 180-degree phase shift conduction. Consider this is your AC input signal, both positive and negative. So normally, if you apply positive half cycle, the diode D1 is forward, then it get the output. During negative half cycle, it is off condition. So we are considering only the positive half cycle of AC input signal. Okay. So now when we apply a positive half cycle of AC input signal between these 2 points, between these A and B points, so at that time, whatever the positive half cycle comes at the across this potentiometer, and this diode becomes forward bias condition. When this diode becomes forward bias condition, at that time there is some change in the gate current of the SCR when it is in switch on condition. So at that time you will get this type of waveform. So as we know that it is a 180-degree phase control. So 180-degree means complete one positive half cycle. Means we are triggering only this part of signal. Okay, not a negative part of signal. Another example. So I am considering the 90-degree phase shift conduction. 90-degree means whatever the positive half cycle is there, in that the half portion of positive half cycle of AC input signal means this is your triggering point. Okay, it means that when I am applying a positive half cycle of AC input signal at the output side, my aim is to get only this part of signal. It means whatever the output we are getting, that output will trigger from this point. Okay, that's why at the output stage we are getting only this portion, 90-degree of phase shift. This is your trigger point, and this type of signal we are getting with the help of this triggering circuit. So this is the meaning that we are controlling the phase. This is a phase of AC input signal. We are controlling the phase of the particular AC input signal with the help of R2 potentiometer resistor with diode by the SCR. So one more conduction. If I consider 135-degree phase shift, I want only 135-degree phase shift of the output signal at the output stage. Okay, and I want to control the remaining 45-degree phase shift. So when after 45-degree, the remaining part is 135-degree. So after this triggering circuit, with the help of this triggering circuit by SCR, so whatever the remaining 135-degree phase shift, we are getting only that much part at the output side. Okay.